And Man City, well, they've got Haaland, he's still to be tested. Liverpool, I think they're going to fade a bit. Mane exiting is going to have an impact.
Darwin
Right.
Nunez.
Darwin Nunez, yeah, let's see. So, right, top six, I'm going to go. Tottenham, Man City, Liverpool, Man United, Arsenal, and I'm going to go Chelsea 6. I think Chelsea's going to better. Right. And United, are going to show some improvement, but I think they're going to come through.
So we're gonna make Champions League.
We're going to make Champions League.
Okay.
In terms of the bottom three, hey, if I had to think from my heart, I would like it to be Arsenal, West Ham, and Chelsea.
No way.
But obviously, that's not going to happen.
Yeah.
So I think it's going to be. I would like it to be Bournemouth. Is one team that I dislike with some passion for some other reason. Bournemouth, I think Leeds were lucky last season, but they're not going to be that lucky this season. They're going to go down. And Nottingham Forest. There's a new team that's in the Premier League. They've got Jesse Lingard, but they've not been very busy in the transfer market. Like they had Jet Spence on loan last season. They've not made key signings. So I think they may go down. Fulham, maybe that's a yo-yo team as well. And in terms of managers going, Frank Lampard, I think he was very lucky last season. Eddie Howe from Newcastle. I think Newcastle somehow can afford an elite coach. Pochettino is somehow been talked about in the background. So I see Eddie Howe getting sacked somewhere down the line. And my dark horse is Eric 10 months.
What?
Okay, if things don't work out with...
what does COVID do to you, man?
I just did a joke, by the way. I've called Man United for top 4.
Yeah.
So, I would say Frank Lampard, Eddie Howe, that's the top 2.
Thomas Tuchel.
And Thomas Tuchel on
Definitely.
Chelsea as well.
Definitely.
Okay, guys, that's my prediction.
In terms of the coaches, I totally agree with you. I think we all expected Newcastle to just come out all guns blazing in the transfer market with the new rich owner that has just bought the team. So they haven't been very active in terms of acquiring top players. So I don't think it's going to be able to deliver and finish in the top half of the table because all the teams are strengthening. So the competition is going to be very stiff. Thomas Tuchel, we've already discussed him. I think he's going to battle. If he gets Champions League football next season, he's going to be lucky. I think he has to compete in the Champions League and in the league with the squad that he has. If he doesn't address those problems in terms of acquiring the right players, I think it's